and greetings from Spain. That's where I am now. I'm in Mallorca. I will be in Iceland next Saturday. And the big news for today is that lava reached the road, Blue Lagoon Road, and flooded it. As you see here on the picture from the Icelandic Met Office, lava flooded the road to Blue Lagoon again and blocked the access to Blue Lagoon, because this is the road that we use it to drive tourists to Blue Lagoon. It's kind of a pity because many tours in the company that I'm working in had been cancelled because of this, because this was the only asphalt road, the remaining road to Blue Lagoon. But I'm sure they will make access road from the other side to Blue Lagoon rather quickly from the west, and they will drive there. But it doesn't make sense for now to build a new road over the lava right now, because the lava is still coming in and it's not safe. We will need to wait until the volcano stops to make the new road. Altogether, this is not a good news for the employees of Blue Lagoon, because Blue Lagoon employs 400 people who are working there in various positions, and those people are taking care of their families. It's their perhaps the only job, and it's kind of sad news. First of all, what I can say, Blue Lagoon was not built in the right location. Also, Grindavik, when building towns in Iceland, one needs to take into consideration the volcanic risk, the risks of volcanic eruptions, because in this area the volcanic eruptions appear rather often, every few hundred years, and sooner or later we will have volcanic eruption in this area again in the next 500 years or so after this volcano stops. So to build infrastructure here, it's not very much sensible. In any case, now we will have to deal with the repercussions of this event. When the volcano stops, they will make the new road, but it's very interesting how the Blue Lagoon will solve the issue for now. It will take some time before the lava will reach hot water pipes, which are buried in the ground. They are protected. The hot water pipes which pump hot water to Keflavik and Njarðvík. It's another issue coming next. But I have been warning the authorities about this possibility of a spillover. In my video from the 3rd of June, I told them to build a wall here along the road to save the road if they wish so. But I'm not sure even if the wall would save, because this is very high, very big lava flow. It's few meters high, and lava will keep coming here and more. So eventually the road would be probably flooded anyway. And this is how the volcano looks now. The pictures from yesterday by my friend called Anton, who is the pilot and flies tours around the volcano. And this is the aerial view from yesterday. So as you see, there is much less lava now in the crater, but the problem is that all this lava is going to the northwest towards Blue Lagoon in not really the best direction. Now, I just read that the road to Blue Lagoon from the west, the Nesvegur, which is bypassing Grindavik from the west, had been restored. They will use that road to access Blue Lagoon. And very likely the tourist traffic to Blue Lagoon will be by that road, which had been restored over the lava which spilled over on May 29th west of Grindavik. As there we don't have any hot lava flows, and it's unlikely lava will reach there. We also have moss fires to the east of the lava field, southeast, just next to Sylingafell. As you see there behind, you see Reykjanes Volcano. Another interesting phenomenon we observed the day before yesterday, a crack, a blast in the backside of the volcano. As you see, lava blasted the walls of the volcano and spilled it over to the backside. This is the backside, or perhaps the front side. Yeah, it's a backside. See how it happens. So the volcano walls are quite vulnerable, as you see. This is the major news from Iceland for today.